All right. All right. All right. All right. What's good, everyone? Damn, my mic was muted. Unfortunate. All right, should be here. Hi, buddy. Great night for AlgoBox. Hope you caught some. I will be catching something for sure. 3K tonight. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can't hear you. He says you can definitely hear me now for sure. I just fixed it. Guaranteed it's fully fixed. So today, let's get right into it. It's 10 p.m. right now. We're getting into some AlgoBox algorithmic trading. Basically, I would be looking for some longs as of this moment. The reasoning is super simple. We're above our golden ropes. Nice ignition bar here to the bullish side. Up towards our Bollinger Band here, looking bullish here on our 43 range, basically reacting positively off this bullish PRZ, breaking past this bearish PRZ, and now we're kind of just chilling here. Might be waiting for a pullback into these harmonic potential reversal zones here to catch some nice longs. We're definitely gonna be looking for longs. We're basically looking for any reason to go long here at this point. Ideally, we will be catching those soon-ish. I just want to make sure that my shit is on a one contract at a time, which is pretty low. Right. Now our algo box here is saying it's too fast. It is 10 p.m., but I might go up to the 2 and the 4 here if it stays on too fast for too long. Cam says 3K needed tonight. Hopefully, bro. Hopefully. I'd like that. I'd like that. I mean, to be fair, there's no fucking way considering I'm trading at 25K on this right now. But 300 bucks would be a nice way to start our week, our trading week here on the Sunday night. Other than that, guys, I do want to get some music set up here. Basically, I will just be going on to when I'm streaming on YouTube. Does anybody know when you're streaming on YouTube, there's still the DMCA, right? Like I gotta play DMCA music, basically, right? Just trying to make sure that I don't screw myself here. Or is that just for Twitch? Or yeah, can anybody tell me? Does anybody know? I'd love for somebody to be able to tell me, but I don't know. Just a reminder, here is a cheat sheet for the strategy for AlgoBox. If you guys are new, basically, this is just a nice way to enter. So what you say? I said, I wonder if the music that I put, if I want to put some music on the background, if it has to be DMCA. All right, now we got our OBOS to go down. We're going to be waiting for a pullback here, see if we can get some kind of reaction, maybe at the 50% of this, possibly get a dot, maybe a green arrow here, and then we're going to send it. We have great speed now past 10 p.m. We're going to stay on the 1 and the 3. We're going to be going with it full speed ahead, full steam ahead here, no fucks given. And on that note, I'm just going to put some DMCA for now.
You bring the prop firm account.
Oh, there's gonna be ads, huh? In those videos. No good. How's that on the background? Do you guys hear the music? On YouTube, you'll get copyrighted, but it won't affect anything. You guys hear the music right now? And is it too loud? There you go. No? You don't hear it at all? Really? What if I... How about now? Big AO here, super big AO. Ideally, we get something more, right? I expect we could get a bigger pullback here. Double delta, bullish delta here, and a dot. I mean, look. I'll send one con here. Just starter position here, get it started. Alright, you hear it now? Alright, cool. Is it too loud? It might be too loud, huh? There we go. This should be right. This should be just about perfect here. I can go like this. No? Okay. Alright, sweet. So obviously off that dot here and that ready DD, we're in profit right now. We're not in big profit, obviously, but profit is profit, right? We're up 2 ticks as of right now. We're up more, obviously, right? But it is a starter position. We're looking to maybe get a reaction from that PRZ down here. We are above our golden ropes here still. We're still looking really good. He said send 8 micros, bro. I mean, 8 micros is not bad. I mean, this position might end up looking like 8 micros at some point. This is just a starter position. We're looking to get some kind of motion going here to the upside. You meant 20. Bro, you crazy. 20 micros. Fuck, I look like. I don't think that. Ooh, that's a nice AO here. We're gonna be going 2 more here on the headshot AO and the dot here and the shark back. Loki want to end the equilibrium here. Loki might want to be looking to add even another con here. Fuck yeah, I will. Right there. We're in 4 cons already. 4 cons right here on the MNQ. Nice AO here. Bullish again. I mean, listen. I'll slap one more. And a fib dot here on the 3. Holy shit. If it dips a little lower, I might add another one here. The stop is going to be below that low there, probably. Maybe a little lower. We get a dot there. Send one more. The stop will be at the channel, most likely. Stop. Unlucky. Another AO here. Still at a shark back here. Dot on the 6. I'm willing to send it one more. I'm willing to send in one more here at the shark tail with the AO here and the dot on the 6. Max loss for it is going to be around 200, 300, around there. Maybe a little more. We'll see how the day goes. Well, we got that ignition bar. We're still above our ropes here. We're still looking very, very good to go up. We do have those PRZs at the bottom here, but I'm not too worried about them, to be honest. Stop is going to be realistically probably right at this low here, but I do want to wait a little before putting in an actual stop like that. There we go. There we go. Instant move down off the top of the channel here. Slightly unfortunate.
Order canceled.
We do have a PRZ down here that we might be looking to enter here off of. Don't want this thing to drop too low. He said AO to me means something different. It sounds like UK. What? Does it? Why does it sound like UK? It sounds like you know what you're talking about. Oh, you said I don't know what I'm talking about. You sound like I know what I'm talking about. I do know what I'm talking about, brother. I mean, obviously not to the T, but I've studied my studies. I've done what I needed to do. If we get a green arrow to pop here on this MACV filler entry, I'd love that. We do have a PRZ above, which I do like as well, acting like a draw on liquidity here, basically. But slight issue of these PRZs at the bottom here too. Might have to pull this position at some point here. We do get a cross, another cross here. I mean,
Alpha Omega up MNQ on the 3.
AO up here as well. Divergence here. And another AO.
Omega up MNQ on the 3.
Order filled.
I'm willing to send in some position here. I'll put the stop right here. If we get stopped here, it's really unfortunate. But on the move back up here, ideally, we can get something going on. A lot of bullish confluences here with the OBOS is super good here. We might have to half our position if we can get back to BE or above slightly to kind of de-risk ourselves, because we are getting some bearish confluences coming in here. There's a switch of the channel color here.
MNQ on the 1.
Little AO here to go up to the top.
Alpha Omega up MNQ on the
Double AO here.
Order filled.
We'll go in slightly heavy here. Stop is going to be below those crosses. I'm hovering over the half button.
Fib.MNQ on the 3.
Order filled.
There we go. Half it. Stop will go to break even here, and we'll kind of we'll be looking to ride this wave up a little bit higher here. As long that bit, I am, brother. I am. Looking to take some profits here. Possibly if we can get a bearish signal of sorts. We did get a bearish dot here on the 6th. But I do believe there is some room to go higher here. We do have some great speed.
Order
I'll
filled.
half my position here.
Order submitted.
Actually, no, I'll half it again.
Order submitted.
I'll send 3 cons here, 3 runner cons to opposing signal, basically just waiting for that opposing signal. He says it's points. How many is SL? It's not points, it's ticks. And the SL was below these crosses here. But we're now up 39 ticks, 42 ticks, 44 ticks. We're absolutely skyrocketing here on these longs. We got a little cross here. We're at the top of this channel here. Realistically, I could be looking to half my position once more. Maybe take 1 here.
Order
I will.
Order submitted.
Took 1 here. Gonna put the stop below right there. Shouldn't really go that much lower than this channel here if we do want to keep going. It says ticks. Okay. Yeah, brother. Yep. See right there. Touch the bottom of the channel here. Instant move up. Currently up almost 50 ticks on this move here, on this trade.
Fib.MNQ on the 3.
We're starting to break that channel here. I'll take 1 more
Order submitted.
and put the stop right below that low that I just made. And then that might, if we get stopped, I think we're going to be break even on the night so far with that first losing trade and now this winning trade here. We did get the green arrow here. This 1 con probably won't do too much, to be honest, even if it ends up skyrocketing, right? I do like that we got the purple OBOS here, the divergence. We have our PRs above as drawn liquidity, ready to go higher here, ready to go hit those upper Bollinger Bands. I do think we are bullish as of this moment. I would love to see possibly some kind of bullish reaction off something here. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. It is what it is. Nice green bullish dot here on our 6. Definitely could have added a little bit to this position here, but whatever, right? Just waiting for an opposing signal to exit, and then we can enter again. It says, "Lol, this looks like gambling. It looks more fun that chart trading, so automatically looks like gambling to me." It's actually the opposite of gambling, right? It's all mathematical and quant data put directly on the chart for you, kind of telling you what's going on. If anything, this is more info. Funny enough, it's there's so much things in the colors and stuff. So I get it. It looks like a slot machine, but really, it's more of a. It feels more like a cheat code, really. Do people do well with this, bro? People will be making 5-figure days, bro. In the Discord, you can join their Discord. You'll see. That's crazy, bro. Like this shit is expensive, but people have been paying it off in like a month, bro. Once you really learn it and you know what the fuck's going on, absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts. There's our opposing signal, but we look like we want to break that, so might just literally put my stop below it. So if we want to respect it, that's fine. It could take me out. He said you can add it. You can add if it gets back through the cross. There's our bullish cross here. There's another bullish cross. We're at our bearish PRZ here. We did hit our PRZ, which was our target. We're up 50 ticks here. I mean, there's no real reason for me to get out of this trade unless it gets something up. Bearish, quite the bearish signals are coming in. We have our bearish AO, some delta shift. A late knee cross coming in at the top of the channel here, and a bearish reversal zone on the cipher here. Better than bookmap and footprint. Bro, I don't like bookmap and footprint is, I don't know. I never really studied it, to be honest, but it doesn't resonate with me. It would be a DCDM long AI saw, but
Order filled.
there you go. I'm stopped. Actually up on the day a little bit. There's the bottom of the channel here with our shark tail and a bullish AO. This would be a great, and our ready D. This would be a great re. I will actually get into 2 cons here. I'll put a 2 conner. We have our ready DD on our 43 range as well. I'll go 2 cons here, and I'll kind of just put the stop right below the channel. Wouldn't want this thing to really break that channel too much. Could hit our shark back here, but alright, I'm stopped here. It's fine. It's fine. The range is super big right now on our ones. Enigma long here on the NQ3. There's a big bullish reaction that from those 2 AOs, our dot and our Enigma here. Possibly should have stayed in, but it is what it is. There's always another trade that can come through. We have a lot of potential reversal zones too on our 43 that are lower, that could definitely kind of impair my bullish bias. So I'm gonna be looking to kind of take it chill possibly for a little bit here. Would definitely like to see some bullish momentum coming in, but these bearish PRZs down here are kind of making me, or not bearish PRZs, they're potential PRZs, I should say, and they're bullish actually, but they're lower, you know, so not sure I like that too much here. So how did you guys this weekend go? How'd you guys this weekend? What'd you guys do? What did you guys do? Anything special? I'm getting a bunch of shit for my my office. Put on this fucking wall here. I have a few things going on tomorrow. I'm gonna get a dimmer installed tomorrow as well. Should be a nice upgrade here to the shitty setup you guys are seeing right now that I just kind of threw together because I just moved here, my new crib. I kind of wanted to repaint that wall black. What do you guys think about that? When I moved in, I repainted this room this color because I repainted my basement this color and my living room, but I might want to repaint this office wall and this wall here black. Anybody got thoughts on that? Let me see what our Mac VU is saying. We're at a moderate buy right now. I mean, we're hovering buy, basically kind of going in and out. So All right, let's go back to the market here. Market's moving up. Would like to see a retracement for me to go long. Anything really, getting a big move down with a ready DD or delta shift would be great. Would be great. Be absolutely phenomenal here. Oh, something happened. It's my fault, I think. Let me just go see. My hockey team's in the playoffs right now. Let me just go see what the game was tonight. 6-2 dub. Oh Lord. Absolutely annihilated these fucking idiots. Oh my god. Doesn't move down. Very nice move down here. We're still in a green arrow though. No real delta shift on that move down. No, nothing crazy going on. Just kind of a move down, I guess. If you guys wanted to watch me trade with a actual candlesticks, let's split it this way. Without AlgoBox, I do trade live every single morning in my free Discord. If you guys do want to join, links in the bio. Just thought I'd put that out there real quick. We're up $27 on the day, basically break even, 1 win, 1 loss on the day. Oh my god, my neck is killing me. Ooh, okay. Alright, so we reacted off this bearish PRZ, this bearish cipher. I'd like to see some kind of move lower, possibly giving us the opportunity to get a Enigma or a AO or a dot, ideally 2 of those, and a ready DD or a potential reversal zone put above. Cam, are you gonna give the 2-week free trial a try? I don't see why not, right? Download Ninja Trader, look at a few videos, bing bang boom, send it. Do you guys watch hockey? Or you guys more baseball, football, basketball? What do you guys watch? I want to know. We have a bearish AO going on right now. Confidence are kind of coming a little bearish here. My chat is still in French, by the way. I forgot to fix it. Why is my chat in French? Does anybody know? Should we try the bot? Should I get the bot going? See what's going on. I thought I did have the bot. Enigma Platinum. Yeah, I thought I did have the bot. Let me remove it. Put it again. Enigma Platinum. Bot panel. Pro. Bot panel. We go Enigma Platinum. Apply. That should be it right there. Bang. Alright. On our 1. Crazy. We'll arm it. Full auto. Enigma. Super AO. Moonshot. Supermoon. We'll do my view because we do want to go bullish. I mean, I won't arm short. Block trade on Mac VU is neutral. Don't care. Don't care. Fills on O off. Don't care. All right. We're locked and loaded here. To enter off 1 con here. Off. I could go 2. That's 12. I could go 2. We'll test it out with 2. And we'll have the bot going, see what's going on here, see if we could do anything with this. We'll also manually execute if we see something crazy, but we just want the bot on just to kind of see if if it can catch something. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. We're getting a bit of a move up here. We're getting some kind of getting some nice diamond PRZs printed at the bottom here too. I mean, I think this shit looks primed to go a little lower, but we can go higher here. Why am I listening to an ad, bro? I'm good, thanks. I'll go over the strategy one more time, ladies and gents. We are above our golden ropes. We're in the middle of our Bollinger Band. We're not touching our Bollinger Band. We had a bullish ignition bar. We're looking for buys. We're in a bullish trend, basically. Ready to for the bull side here on our 43 range. We're just a little wary about those potential reversal zones here that have not been hit. They're bullish reversal zones, thank God, but lower a little bit, so that means we can go lower, hit them, and then go higher. So we're going to be a little careful for that. We did get a purple OBOS, which is a divergence in our MACV filler system entry here, basically meaning that it's a good indicator that we're going to go long. But we also respected our bearish cipher, now moving down. Just thinking about order flow here, what could happen next. We'll be a little patient to find that out. Okay, on that note, we have our 3 and our 1 chart here, our entry charts. We're not going to be looking at those for now. We are looking at them, but we're not looking at them, right? I armed the bot for longs. If the bot does see something, it can take it. It's fine. I don't care. Very low size here. 2 MNQ contracts here on a very slow market. Oh, and there's our first entry. It entered. Oh, it's entering helicons. Is this thing good? Dude, this thing's slapping cons on cons. Alright, relax. Oh god, don't relax. It hit its target. Alright, slap. Alright, wow, I mean, we're up $100. I mean, listen, this fucking thing. Turn it back on. Turn it back on. Come on, guys. Obviously, turn it back on. Jesus. Yeah, that's how it was. Not invert logic, obviously. That's how it was. Come on, guys. Leave it on, obviously. Fucking hell. Up $100 off the fucking bot entry. Massive bot entry here. Just a little scary because I'm on a 25k. We are at a strong buy right now. Other than that,
Alpha Omega down MNQ on the 1.
AO down here, fine, whatever. I was going over my strategy basically, but I think I went over basically everything, right? We're kind of moving up here. We said fuck those PRZs. We're at the bearish butterfly now, maybe ready to go down. We'll see if we can break past it. Maybe not give a shit about it. That'd be great. Or we respect it, go down, and then we can get another long entry here. Ideally, that's what's gonna happen. Quick fib down on the 3 here. Bearish fib down. Super bearish confluence is coming in here. We have the bearish butterfly here moving up here on our MACV filler system, basically saying, hey, we're probably gonna get a red arrow printing semi soon here. Bearish butterfly here, same thing, but the pink dot as well with the pink AO still not have reached the top of it. But again, trend is king, ladies and gentlemen, and we are in a bullish trend right now, so I'm looking for longs and not shorts. I always follow the trend, ladies and gentlemen. Always follow the trend. I never go against it. I never fight it. I just don't see the point. We broke above. We're now headed towards the crab. If we get a little pullback, we can take the pullback into targeting the crab here. Pull back that. The bot will probably take by itself. No, I don't know why it entered me in 13 cons before. Truly have no clue, to be honest. But, hey. It's fine. It's not that much. I just wanted to try a low size, and it just ended up entering normal size. So, it is what it is. It is what it is. I am on 1 quantity of my ATM. I have 1 con here. We're just moving straight up from when the bot entered right here. Straight up. Look at that Enigma bottom tick in this whole up move. How many ticks was that, ladies and gentlemen? How many ticks was that? Oh, wrong button. My fault. Off that Enigma here. 100 or no 74 ticks. Absolutely insane. 74 ticks up from that Enigma. Insane. This song is kind of making me want to tweak. All right, we're back. We're back. We're starting to get a bit of that pullback here. Could definitely be seeing a bigger pullback towards those areas here, but we did get a bearish Enigma here. Look at this, but not with our trend. Ended up getting disrespected. Always follow the trend, ladies and gentlemen. Always follow the trend. It's essential. It's the most important aspect of trading is to follow the why would you go against the trend? Why would you fight what the market is doing? Why, you know, like how does that make sense, right? Statistically and speaking in terms of probability, the market's moving up. Why would you short, right? Like just wait a bit longer, take your long, be aligned with the market. Bigger moves, bigger profits, bigger R, bigger everything, right? Less risk of loss too. That being said, let's see what's going on here. We got a little ready DD here on our bearish side here on both 1 and 3. So, gonna be waiting slightly here for a possible pullback. Oh, there's an Enigma long. Ended up entering me. 1 con, instant reaction from it. This one only entered me 1 con instead of a bunch of them, so. Whatever, I mean, we're already hitting the target. This Enigma already hit its target. I'm just gonna hold it just because. Put stop at break even. Because again, stop me at break even. Alright, we're gonna send one more here. Ready DD here, bullish, super good here. Nice reaction off the bottom of our channel. Wouldn't mind seeing anything else. We do need to get some profits rolled in here. Currently the market's a little too fast, but it's fine. We got a purple OBOS here, divergence. Those things call tops very, very effectively, so we're going to be chilling here a little bit until we can kind of break through maybe. Hey, yo, nice little headshot here. Surprised about didn't enter me in something here. Probably because we didn't get a ready DD. For the bulls. Oh, moving hella fast here. Very big reaction. Told you guys this thing calls tops. Surprised didn't enter me here. Big bearish move here. Damn. I might want to disarm this bot here for a second. Maybe wait for a purple OBS to spawn. Possible. It is possible we're going to be waiting for a purple OBOS here, divergence to kind of spawn. We do have one off this. See how here it went lower than here, but it's not actually lower than this low. I'm surprised that the triangle didn't spawn yet. But the second it spawns, I'm going to arm long one more time again and get ready to kind of send those trades. The spot executes faster than me anyways, so obviously, right, it executes basically instantly. So we're just going to wait a bit. But it should spawn our purple OBS soon. Considering, you know, we see it right here. We see it right here too. And this. I guess it needs a little bit more confirmation before it prints it. Nice AO here. This doesn't look like a bad entry at all.
Omega up MNQ on the 1.
Another AO. Still no OBOS.
Divergence of MNQ on the
There it
6.
is. All right. Arm that bitch long, ladies and gentlemen. We are armed for longs. And we have our green arrow.
MNQ on the 1.
DCDM long just propped in here. Our target is right here. We see it the clear as day.
Alpha Omega up
Big pullback. AO. A lot of bullish confluences here. And the dot. Could be interesting to send some positions here. Slight pullback and we might get it here. We might have to enter dot on the 6. Maybe a big bit of a pullback here on the king's timing and we'll send it 2 or 3 cons. I'm on 1 right now. I have to kill that bitch twice. Oh, it's fucking flying. Holy. These purple triangles, bro, I'm telling you, they call.
down MNQ on the
They
1.
call shit. They know what's going on. You guys see it live. Live printed in front of your screen. Can't really fake it much more. Alright, not fake it, I guess. Can't really fake this shit, I guess. Can't really make it more real, I guess is what I was trying to say. I wish I slapped an entry here now, this green dot down here, but I was thinking maybe we could get a little pullback here, but should have known. Should have known, and it was not worth to wait for the pullback.
MNQ 1.
There's an enigma. It actually didn't enter me. Oh, I didn't fucking put it on this.
Order filled.
I'll enter it myself. Fine. I'll do it myself. Enter on the enigma here. Stop loading enigma.
Ordered.
Right there. Willing to enter off something if we do get something.
MNQ on the 1.
AO up, but we did get a bearish ready DD, so I'm just gonna let the enigma play out. Stopped out here on the enigma, it's fine. We do need to start sending some slightly bigger trades here. 5, 6, 12 cons possibly. Around there. 12 cons is basically my full size. I think I could go a little heavier than that, but usually when I do is because I expect a quick move. I'm not going for a lot of ticks. Right? I mean, shit. Man's gotta do what man's gotta do. We'll play around with this a little bit more and we'll call it quits soon here. But I do want to see this push up to the high. Don't see why we wouldn't get it. I'm ready to get it whenever. Whenever. And I'll be here. And that's the deal, my dear. Why is this thing looking like this? There we go.
Alpha Omega up MNQ on the 1.
Fixed it. Don't worry about it, guys. I fixed it. We have an AO here, dot. We're kind of headed lower. I don't know. Yeah, a strong buy. AlgoBox is always favorable. The crab down there, bro. That's something I don't like. But it's so low.
Enigma long on the MNQ 1.
Oh, Enigma long. Will it slap me into a trade? It didn't. It's odd. Our MACV does work out. Everything kind of works out here. 3-7 hit a Spalato. We do have a bat lower. We'll wait a bit. I'm not that eager to enter this trade here. Even if it might work perfectly fine, and it just did. Perfect target hit here of the estimated target of 20 ticks. I did make a little hundo, and we called it a day here. Quick $100. Y'all know the vibes.
Alpha Omega down MNQ on the 1.
Thank you guys for the likes, by the way. I appreciate it. It means way more than you guys may think. Those likes mean everything to me. As I am trying to start out this new streaming method here with AlgoBox on YouTube. You guys liking the stream means you guys like, well, basically you guys like the stream, right? And I really do appreciate it a lot. So again, thank you guys so much. If you guys could subscribe to the channel as well, that'd be great. I would really appreciate that too. I feel like such a scum. But it is what it is, right? Like, it is what you gotta do a little bit, but I feel like it feels scummy a little bit. Imagine we get a dimmer, bro. Dim this shit. Bang. Should I buy 5 150Ks and send it on the AlgoBox? 5 straight to funded. And then I can just go for base hits, you know. Boom, boom, boom. Bottom of the channel here. Everything's looking fine. Honestly, I don't think these PRs are getting hit, bro. Even this bat, it's not gonna be a bit late. This crab here could. There's a dot. I mean, really not enough here. Apparently it is, but I would have liked to see more. There's a cluster going on here. I don't like what's going on here. I'll put the fiddles on. Did my chat stop loading? It did stop loading. Damn. Fuck. That's why. I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't do much on replay, so I'm working out. What about you? Bro, honestly, not much either. What did I do this Saturday? What did I do yesterday? Dude, I have no fucking memory, bro. What did I do Saturday? Completely fucking rash. Wait, what you said about Bookmap Footprint? You is this better? Yeah, I do think it's a way better than Bookmap Footprint, to be honest. I'm trying to see which one because I'm going to give those a try as well. I see you were. That's when I was saying you should get the 2 week free trial. That's awesome. Bro, my chat was actually fucking frozen, bro. That's crazy. Baseball and football, golf as well. Andrew said, yeah, bro, golf is, I like playing baseball and football. Golf, I'm not really good at it too much. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I did give it a try a few times, but I just go to fucking smoke a cigar and drink a beer, to be honest. You guys have a good night. It's too slow for me. Trade well. Thank you, Andrew. Appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great night. I know you're already gone, probably. I'm so sorry. My chat was not there, bro. I'm not used to this shit. Nice trade. Thank you, AlgoBox. I appreciate that. And Lemo, it is home. Pierce. Yep. 100%. We could have gone to Piercer here, but we're going to wait a little bit more here. Possible kind of move down here, and then we can get anything going on here for the longs. I do think the longs look great right now. Welcome back, Cam. I'm glad to have you back. I'm sorry. I just realized my chat was on like top chat or some shit. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know why it wouldn't put my chat in fucking just normal. Good night. Where are you going, Cam? You're not going anywhere, bro. You're gonna stay here until I get off, which is in about 15 minutes. You can handle a little extra 15, can't you? GD traders get special deal with AlgoBox 100%, bro. By the way, if you do end up going with my link, you will get a special deal with AlgoBox, Cam. By the way, so I mean, and I don't know if I'm gonna have this forever, so I'd take advantage. To be honest, I mean, I did take advantage, right? Seeing it in front of your face.
Harmonic MNQ on the 1.
There's a bearish harmonic here on the chart, but I'm looking for longs. I'd like to get one more trade going before I go to bed.
Alpha Omega down MNQ on the 1.
AO down. I mean, a lot of bearish confluences. Here's fine though, right? So we're gonna move down here, and then we get a bullish kind of confirmation. Boom, boom, boom. Send it long. Bop, bop. Still can't believe my chat was not, bro. I was like, why is no? I was asking questions to the chat, and nobody was answering. And I was like, why am I like so like you know what I mean? Like I was like, why does nobody give a fuck? You have a code to use with them? Oh, yeah, bro. Here, let me. He said, can I use it with demo? Here, let me send you the code here real quick. It should be in the bio or in the description of the live, but I can hook you up real quick here. Hold up. Use this link. Here, Cam. Use this link. And tell me what you think of that picture, bro. And click on try for free. Hell yeah, you can use it. Can you use it with demo? Hell yeah, you can use it with demo, I think. Oh, you're saying can you demo trade on it? Yeah, 100%, bro. Look like the Punisher. Call me John Berthnall, bro. Oh, we have a J-hook long here. Am I gonna move down here into this PRZ and we can slap long? That's a great confluence. If we could get a dot of cross or an Enigma in there, I'm taking that bitch. If you want to see what you need to study ish, oh, ready to end across, bro.
Order filled.
I'll slap two. Here I know we could go lower here a little bit. I'm willing to endure a bit of drawdown if we do. It's all good. 14-day free trial, full access. Yep, basically you get full access, the full biggest dream package you could possibly think of. You get it with the free access. You can do anything you want, anything you can put your mind to it. You can do it with the free access, basically. I think it's worth a try, bro. It's free. You don't need to put a trade card. You make money with it quick, and then you realize that it's great, like I did. And here, hold on. Let me link you to docs too. Here are the docs. We have a dot on our 6. We're in some profit. We did enter the entry for the J-hook. We have our targets. If this thing moves down a little bit, maybe back to entry, I'm willing to send 2 more cons. If not, we're gonna ride that bitch. Oh, there's entry. Alright, I'll turn off the bot here. Wouldn't want to enter more cons without my consent. The PRZ is really low. It's a bit of an issue. But I'm willing to endure a slight drawdown here. There's our dot. We're about to hit the bottom of this PRZ here. Wouldn't want to go much lower realistically. Might have to wait for King's timing here on R3. Says, and I don't know if you're answering me to book map and order flow question my bad compared to this. No, you're good. I prefer this over book map and order flow. I mean, order flow is kind of included in this, right? It's more book map. Book map, I'm not a big fan because you can spoof it, which basically means you can fake it. So therefore, the information you're getting is kind of fucked because you never know what you can trust. So, yeah, that's basically it, really. We got a dot down here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
We'll do it like this. We'll do it like this. We'll end the day break even, or we'll end the day in some decent profit here. Willing to take this to the opposing signal. Might take half before, but I want to take it all the way to the cipher if at all possible. Like I said, or we end the day basically break even. It's one or the other. And usually don't trade on Sunday nights too, so we'll see if we can kind of get some motion going. It's all red. It's all red candles. Probably gonna get stopped out here. I'm feeling it. I smell it. I can smell this shit. Stop me out, NQ. I bet you won't, you bitch. I bet you won't. I bet you fucking won't stop me out. Yeah, you're too pussy to stop me out. I bet you're not gonna fucking stop me out, you bitch. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you don't get stopped out. You insult the shit out of it. Bang. And just like that. You learn something new every day, you bitch. it just goes right back to insulting it as soon as it goes down. Oh, fuck. Rest of my stock can be at this low now, I guess, huh? Tighten this up a bit. I mean, there is a world where we're definitely not gonna get to the cipher, but there's a world where we could hold to opposing signal, ideally somewhere up here. But I could also see a world where this thing just drops here. But I don't really want to half. Here, I'll half here. Get some more.
Order cancel. Order submitted.
And now we'll stop BE. Kind of expecting it to move higher here. We don't really want this thing to come back down here because we hit the top of the channel. If we do come back down, we'll come back down hard. I kind of like to see this thing break through. But King's timing is coming up, so we might be kind of shooting ourselves in the foot by doing this.
Alpha Omega down MNQ on the 1.
AO down, yeah, we'll keep our stop rates at now. AO down right at the top of the channel, I mean. Yeah, we're definitely stopped out here. It's all good though. You bitch. You absolute fuck. I can't do that every time. Cannot be doing that every time here. I mean, it does work though. He said, so how do you make big moves with this? What you mean, how do you make big moves? I like it way more for scalping, but bro, like 100 ticks is a pretty decent move. And I'm up 25 ticks right now on Asia session, bro. You trade this in New York. In the morning, I've gone 200 ticks off a trade with this.
Alpha Omega down MNQ on the 1.
But how do you make big moves? You just scalp, bro. Enter a bit bigger, if anything. You don't need big moves to make big money, especially with prop firms, bro. $200-300 a day. You pay it off in a day, basically, this fucking thing. I'm holding to opposing signal here, but as you guys can see, I'm getting hella opposing signals and not taking it out. Might be stupid. I'm waiting for an actual opposing signal that's actually gonna look at me dead in the eye and tell me to get out of my trade. We'll see which one that is. I'll bring my stop up to here now. 25, 24 ticks, something like that. Ayo, a headshot here on the 3. I mean, that's about as opposing signal as it gets. See, right? That one looked me in the face and said to tell me to get out of my trade here.
Order filled.
So I will. $128. I mean, I was expecting a bit more. A bit unfortunate. I was expecting a little bit more on the day, but it is a Sunday.
Delta shift MNQ on the 1.
He said, can I use it with any trade of a prop? You can, if I'm not mistaken. I know for a fact you can use it with Tradeify, TPT, and Apex. think Alpha Futures as well just joined in recently, I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure. You can definitely not use it with anything that uses Trade C or like Top Step and shit like that, but I think Tradeovate it is definitely usable. If you can use Apex, you can probably use all of them. I don't see why you wouldn't be able to. Maybe it's just a way because it's so scalpy that some prop firms might not allow it. But even that I'm talking out of my ass and I don't even think it's true. So I'd say no. You can use it with everything that has Tradeovate. Because Tradeovate is basically with NinjaTrader now. I could have held. Damn. Whatever, bro. It is what it is. But yeah, bro, like 150 bucks like this. That's it. 128 bucks. Even if I stop here, bro, on a fucking Sunday age the session, bro. 128 bucks times 600 bucks a week, bro. It's 4K a month ish off something that costs 4K in a month. You paid it off. And then you have it for lifetime. Or would you take your 4K you made this month, you pay your 300 bucks that this thing costs, and then you have 3,700 left. Like the price is so worth it in my opinion. Bottom of the channel here, Ready DD, Cross, Green Arrow. Could tape read this. Won't enter. I think I'm done for the night entering trade. Unless something slaps me in the face, just like the TP did. Cross dot, Ready DD, bottom of the channel. This is as good as it gets, but ideally we get a purple OBOS, but we won't get it, so I don't know. Great speed here, dot, cross, almost hitting 11. A on the 3. The thing is, with this trading system here, there's no way to not make money. If you do your research, if you look through the docs, if you watch the videos, if you learn the platform, if you learn how to use it, if you learn how to use the algo, if you learn how to use the bot, if you learn how to use everything, how can you not make money? When this thing prints a purple triangle, you saw it in real time, and it calls top, bottom, right? If you just click buy or sell on anything that prints, sure, you're gonna lose money. But if you think it with your head and you top-down analysis it, like it's telling you to do, how can you possibly lose money? Right? All I gotta do is wait for a purple triangle. Look, top, bottom, purple triangle, bottom, and then we just send it to the top, I guess. Right? Like, he said, do you need trading view with this? No, it's NinjaTrader. This is NinjaTrader. I'm not gonna lie, it was my first time using NinjaTrader when I first started, and it did take me like a few days to kind of figure it out, but it's the same fucking thing, bro. It's super easy as well. It's just a little bit different because you got a bunch of separate charts and stuff, but you just they're just color linked, so you just log on one and bing, and then when you open, once you get AlgoBox, when you open NinjaTrader and you log onto your NinjaTrader account, it's gonna open the AlgoBox instantly like this, the way you left it. So super easy. And if you do end up getting it, you're in the Discord. You can always hit me up. You know I answer every single time you hit me up. I always try my best to help every single one of you guys. So if you do end up getting it, you try to retrieve your free trial, you have questions, you won't have to go through what I had to go through because I was basically learning it alone, right? I'll be there helping you. Do the free bootcamp for a quick deep dive into trading with AlgoBox. Yeah, that too. The A video bootcamp is big. I still have my notes for those. I'm pretty sure they're here. Hold on. Yeah, like bro, look at this. This was the video structure, but this was my first kind of shot at a strategy, and then no video 1, no video 2, no video 3, the video 4 part 1, video 4. These are 2 video 4s. And then you made notes on every single video, basically, I guess. What I did. That's because I'm dedicated. That is why I made it. Because I don't fuck around. So I'm gonna set it up once I get an eval. That's you should, bro. It's just cool. Trust. You know me, yeah, you know, another fucking liar or kind of vouch for a product that's shit. But you see me using it live in front of you as well, so it's hard to fake. Very hard to fake. And I have notes and stuff, right? Like you know I did it. I didn't just write random notes. I swear. I promise. I promise I didn't do that. I also have my AlgoBox strat written down right here. Just cause sometimes it's good to write it down. You know, I also have my real strategy written down, which I don't look at it, and I don't look at this either, but it's there, it's written down. I got it. I also have my bills written down here. everything I need written down, I have it written the fuck down on my desk. Everything's here. DCDM short here. With the crab, I mean, this would be DCDM hits the target, crab, everything, cipher, boom, boom, boom. We get a bullish signal. Send that motherfucker long. Maybe. I don't think we're gonna get a purple BOS here, though, unfortunately. Ooh. Ayo, N Enigma, N Cipher.
Harmonic MNQ on the 6.
Ooh. And the crab. That's tempting as fuck. Super tempting. And the shark. Triple PRZ. Blue AO here. Big move here. Big delta here. AO delta shift. AO here. Purple BOS. I'll send 3. If we get a slight pullback, I might send more. I'm expecting a fast move up here. Yeah. Dot and across. Still expecting to fucking break through this shit heavy.
Order submitted.
I'll literally go break even. Ready for this shit to skyrocket up.
Alpha Omega up MNQ on the 1.
AO. I'll put my stop below the AO.
Order filled.
Stopped. Unlucky. Is what it is.
Alpha Omega up MNQ on the 1.
Another AO. I mean, we have the AO BOS. We have the AO.
Order filled.
I'll send more. I'll send 1.
Order submitted.
Stop below the AO. And then if it goes down a little bit, we can sue one more Connie in. Big move up here.
Alpha Omega down MNQ on the 1.
AO down. Don't give a fuck. The big manipulation here right at 11. I'm expecting a 100 ticker here to end the night. Give me 100 ticker. I know Vinny would look at this and say, Dom or JD, you're a fucking idiot, but I don't care. Give me 100 ticks. I don't even care about the money. I just want to see the 100 ticks on my screen before I log off. I want to see the 100 ticks before I log the fuck off and go to bed happy. Give me 100 ticks. I know Vinny would be looking at me right now and go, you just hold to a opposing signal. You need to get out here. I don't give a fuck. I'm holding this shit. I'm holding the fuck out of it because I believe in it. Up 30 right now. What did I tell you guys about OBOS, bro? Bottom, top, bottom, bottom. I don't give a fuck. I'm holding that bitch. I told y'all 100 ticks are nothing. About to be halfway to our TP. I'll literally bracket this bitch.
Order cancelled.
Stop BE. Keep it at 100.
Alpha Omega down MNQ on the 1.
And that's it. That's all we need. Come on, you fucking flea bag. We're halfway there. I'm then acting like an idiot, but we will be hitting that 100 ticks. I don't give a shit. And then the title will be super clickbaity, 100 tick TP. But I'm in one con because I was done trading for the night. This is quite simply just to show y'all the true power of this shit. Ready DD, bottom of the channel, and our cross. I'm literally moving my stuff to here because I don't give a fuck. I'm not gonna get stopped out. I'm not. I'm just not, bro. I'm literally not. I could do whatever it wants. It's not gonna stop me out. Anybody watching right now, what do you think the odds are of me getting stopped out? 5 ticks away.
Alpha Omega up MNQ on the 1.
I bet you to stop me out. I know you want to stop me out. You're not gonna fucking stop me out. You're not gonna fucking stop me out, are you? You wanna do that to me? It's not gonna stop me out.
Order filled.
Fuck. That's close. It was it was almost close, I guess. It was. He said $10. Wow. Yes, sir, Bob. Yes, sir. That's that easy. It's that fucking easy. No, but to be honest, I did enter this trade for shits and giggles because I was going to show you guys the power of the purple OBOS. But I was basically done. I mean, I'm not gonna trade 50 trades a day.
Short on the MNQ3.
$141 on a day. I mean, nothing crazy. Definitely not bad, but definitely not what we're looking for. But we are Sunday night. It does start the week nice and chill. But yeah, on that note, let me see here on my Ninja Trader thing. Account PA is currently sitting at 26.5. Up a decent amount. Payout eligible, most definitely, but will not be taking one because I'm not a pussy. I'm not a bitch. Aim for the sky. Aim for the greatness. When you know how to trade, you also need to okay, what I would want to say though, I'm gonna stop being an idiot. When you get really kind of confident, and once you're really in your bag, right? Once you start getting payout eligible and stuff like that, it's important to not overthink it. I'm acting like a dumbass, but the truth is that it's because I'm so used to it that I don't care anymore. But it's very important, and this is a super important lesson if you guys are listening and you still haven't gotten a payout, or you got 1 or 2 max. Once you start getting around that payout area, a lot of people start to feel scared, feel excited, feel those kind of emotions, and those are the ones you want to negate. All right, you don't want to get caught FOMOing, you don't want to get caught over trading, you want to get caught doing none of those things. I've been fucking around in this live a lot, but it is important. I do stand around discipline a lot, right? You have to be disciplined. You enter only great trades, and you don't want to kind of FOMO into one or kind of like hesitate too much. You want to be confident in your decision, and you want to assume those decisions. You entered a shit trade, fucking own it. I fucked up today, and I'm not gonna do it again. right? Because it's that feeling of kind of like, what if I didn't, what if I did, what if I make it back, what if, we don't want none of that shit, basically, right? Is what I'm trying to say. So when you start getting payout eligible, don't like, oh, I'm only 100. Usually I go for $50 a day, but I'm $70 a day away today, so I'm gonna risk a bit more, and then you lose that trade, and now you're pissed because you lost more than you would have, and now you're 2 or 3 days away. So now you trying to make it back, and you're trying to make it back, and you lose another trade, and now you're spiraling, you lose half your fucking payout. Like, dude, don't worry about it, right? Just do you. Stay like, be true to yourself and stay in your bag, basically. Do your thing, and it'll all come flowing naturally. Okay, so I've been acting a bit like an idiot, but that is an important message that I do have to deliver to you guys, because that is the actual point of this, and I don't want you guys to think I'm a degenerate either. But yeah, and we have a nice OBOS right here too. You guys see this divergence, right? We went lower than here, but here it's higher than here. Surprising to print our purple triangle here. Probably will, to be honest. And then other than that, I mean, if you get a pullback, we can definitely go long, but I won't because I'll be getting off. But I'm happy I got this message across before I do go off and get off. And other than that, I think that's basically it for me. I hope you guys have a great night. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend. I hope you guys are ready for a full week of trading. Do not be overzealous. Be very cautious. CPI, PPI week. Don't be too eager to press the button tomorrow if you guys do trade tomorrow morning. And I hope I'll see you guys in my free Discord. Links in the bio. I'll be trading there tomorrow morning, 9:25 a.m. I'll catch you guys there. I love every single one of you. If you guys like the live, please like, comment, and subscribe on it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.